guys, welcome to Desi Girl Traveler and welcome to yet another video. This is going to be a chotu sa video, just a quick announcement about my most favorite thing. So I'm starting my Ladakh group trips again, starting from 1st of May. So if you have been asking me about my group trips on my Instagram, on YouTube video comments, on emails, Facebook, then stay tuned. मैं सारी की सारी details अभी share करूँगी. And also if you have been planning to go to Ladakh, then come with me because I have been to Ladakh so many times that I can't even tell you like how many times I have been to Ladakh, and I've seen Ladakh in all seasons, in all days, literally. Even after traveling for 7 years all across India and a couple of countries, I still feel that the way I have seen Ladakh, none of the place comes even this close to Ladakh, and it's my most favorite place. 100 से 1000 बार बोल चुकी हूँ and I will still say the same. Ladakh has a charm, and that is the reason why I started with Ladakh group trip. ये ग्रुप ट्रिप किन किन लोगों के लिए है? If you are a traveler or anybody who was to travel to Ladakh, you can join my trip. So it's not like all women or all men kind of trip. Trip is going to be from 1st May to 10th of May. This is the time when Ladakh is not going to be too warm and not too cold either. Considering my experiences in the past in Ladakh, it's not going to be snowy, it's not going to be super cold. It is going to be cold during the morning and at night, and afternoon it's going to be pleasant. So that's about the dates and the kind of weather we can expect. Second, my trip is not for typical tourist. Don't take it otherwise. I'm a traveler, and I feel the difference between a tourist and a traveler is that tourists have an itinerary, and that itinerary consists of all the places where everybody else have gone, and travelers are more open to the experiences rather than just doing the sightseeing. So this is the kind of travel I do, and this is the kind of travel I let my guests do on my group trip. If you want to experience Ladakh the way I have experienced Ladakh, then this is for you. Okay, मुझे ये चीज़ भी कहना है कि I started my group trips last year, and I did 3 group trips to Ladakh and a couple of customized tours I did for my private guests. Private in the sense those who did not want to be a part of the group, and I also did 2 group trips in Arunachal. So yes, after successfully completing all these group trips, I'm very sure that I can pull it off very well. Yeah, regarding the budget of the trip, this is going to be of 75,000 INR. And this will be from Leh to Leh. So it's total 10 days, like 1st May to 10th of May, and everything is included. The transportation, food, like we will be providing breakfast and dinner and lunch on a couple of days. Transportation, we are going to be using Innova car, 4 people in each car, and rooms are going to be on double sharing basis. If you want the entire car to yourself, you want the entire room to yourself, I can arrange that. Of course, in that case you will have to pay extra. So all the details I am going to be sharing in the video description below. There is a Google form link. Please fill up the form if you are interested in coming to Ladakh with me. And I have a request, please read the form carefully, read everything, and if you feel that everything works for you, then only fill up the form. And also एक ग्रुप में 12 से 15 लोग होंगे, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे. So far more than 100 people have traveled with me, including my group trips, the private tours I have done, and a couple of trips in between. अभी मैं आपको एक और सिनेरियो देती हूँ because I am a solo female traveler. So there have been many times in my life when I want to go to a certain place and I'm hesitant. Many times I want to go to a place and then I find myself alone. I'm like, how do I go there solo? So as a female traveler, a solo traveler, I understand that perspective very well, and that is the reason why I chose to do these group trips, especially to the places which are not easily accessible. Like Ladakh is not like Shimla, Manali. There are a couple of things which you have to keep in mind when you go to Ladakh. It's just that I feel that there are many females especially who want to travel but they are scared of going alone. Then don't worry, I'm here for you guys. If you wish to join, then please fill up the form. इसमें मेरे पास हनीमून वाले कपल्स भी आए हैं, न्यूली मैरिड, पुराने मैरिड, I don't know what is the word for this, single people, solo travelers, travelers who have come with friends, and even young people, elderly people, like all kinds of people I have handled in my group trips, and in a very good way so far. So I feel very confident about it. I understand for a few of you the price what I have quoted here might feel expensive, but hear me out. See, किसी भी जगह को घूमने के लिए ना बहुत सारे वेज होते हैं, और यू कैन विजिट अ प्लेस इन सुपर टाइट बजट, और यू कैन डू इट इन मॉडरेट बजट, और यू कैन डू इट लाइक अल्ट्रा लग्जूरियस वे, और यू कैन डू इन अ मॉडरेट बजट. जितना आप स्पेंड करोगे आपको उस तरह की सर्विस मिलेगी. प्रेटी मच अंडरस्टूड थिंग. इफ यू वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस लद्दाख इन अ कंफर्टेबल मैनर, देन माय आइटनरी इज जस्ट गोइंग टू बी परफेक्ट फॉर यू. लद्दाख में क्या है ना, बहुत तरह की चीज़ें हैं. If you are an adventure lover, then Ladakh is your place. If you love peace and calmness, then Ladakh is your place. If you love Trans-Himalayas, then you will love Ladakh. मतलब लद्दाख एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हर किसी के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है ही, और मुझे आज तक एक ऐसा इंसान नहीं मिला है पर्सनली, like physically I have not met anybody, any human being who have been to Ladakh and have not liked Ladakh. तो मैं लद्दाख इतने टाइम से ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज़ आई हैव क्यूरेटेड दिस आइटनरी इन सच अ वे दैट यू गेट टू एक्सपीरियंस लिटिल बिट ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट लद्दाख हैज़ टू ऑफर. सी 10 days are not enough to see every aspect of Ladakh. Imagine, मैं इतने सालों से लद्दाख इतनी बार जाती रहती हूँ, yet 20% of Ladakh is still left for me to explore. तो इतने टाइम से ट्रैवल करने के बाद मैंने ये आइटनरी इस वे में क्यूरेट की है कि आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करने मिल जाए. द मोनेस्टिक लाइफ, ननरीज, and also adventure, food, culture. As I said, my itinerary is for those who like to travel and not just visit the place. It's a traveler's itinerary and not a tourist itinerary. So if you are open to experiences, you are going to love everything I have planned for you in this group trip. अच्छा, एक और चीज़, it's a very important thing. Overall, it's going to be safe, and don't worry about the extreme altitude and all those kind of things, because obviously I'm going to prepare you all before we reach Ladakh. So the price is going to be 75,000 per head, and this is Leh to Leh for 10 days. In the sense, you will have to come to Leh on your own. आप इंडिया में जिस भी सिटी में रहते हो वहाँ से लेह तक आने की जिम्मेदारी आपकी. And also if you are coming from outside India, then also you will have to reach Leh on your own. I can help you all plan your flights or how you can reach Leh. Especially for those of you who live outside India, I can help you all in planning the logistic part of how you are coming to Leh from your home. So that part I can help you. Rest everything else is included in this price. And also please come as a traveler's mind, be open to experiences, and I promise you I'm going to give you the best time in Ladakh. Come over, join my trip, and let's have a gala time in Ladakh.